Alright guys, so I'm here today at Swan Creek WMA Wildlife Management Area. It's actually my second time here. The first time I came here, my memory card got corrupted and I only ended up catching one fish. So we had a good amount of rain recently, so this creek is a lot higher than the first time I came here. So hopefully the fish are biting and I can catch something. Let's get started. Plans, I'm actually going to start off with this hard plastic bait just because it was already rigged up for my last fishing outing. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this. There we go, fish on. What do we got? Just a little bluegill. Alright, so first fish of the day, little small bluegill. Got him on the second cast. So hopefully that means we'll be off to a productive day today. Let him go. There's that bridge between the pylons. Pylons. Come on, man. No snag. Please catch fish. We need a fish on the boards. There we go. Fish on. Looks like a crappie. Oh, a little white bass. These things are strong, man. Alright, it took a minute, but finally got fish number 2. I switched out to a soft plastic. Just a little, I think it's a 1/16 ounce jig head and a little Trigger X crawfish. Got this little white bass. Get the hook out and let him go. Fish number 2. Alright. Whenever you're ready. Oh, there he goes. All right. Two fish on the boards. Probably give it about 10 more minutes here, then I'm gonna go across to the other side. Died down pretty drastically, so I'm going to go ahead and search for a greenway to head to on the way home. If I can't get anything there, then that's it, but it's been a nice day out. Alright, so I don't know if I'm actually able to fish here. I don't want to risk it, but I think they're probably just referring to the land over on that side, but because I'm uncertain, it's better safe than sorry. So I'm just gonna have to end on 2 fish for the day. Tight lines, everybody. Catch you next time.